Okay, we're in a 2016 Crusader 322 RES. You've got a washer and dryer hookup in the closet there. You've got a nice queen size bed with a nice mattress on it. Very nice woodwork and very nice headboard. In the bathroom, you have probably the nicest shower I've seen in a while. You can actually sit down. A lot of people like that. Alright, walking down the stairs. You've got a fireplace. The TV comes out of the top there, and it has a TV in there, but I don't have it hooked up to electric to get that out. Double stainless steel fridge. Convection microwave. I took a picture of that pantry with the door open. You've got sleeper sofa. You've got hard surface countertops. A nice wood floor plank. You have very nice little dinette. And these are the type of chairs that you can store stuff in. Those are full recliners where you can sleep in them or put the feet out. Very nice ceiling with surround sound. You've got duct AC, LED lights. That's a very nice chandelier, if you want to call it that. A tremendous amount of storage. And then all the other normal stuff, the automatic levelers, 3 slides, inlaid wood, real hard cabinets, nice hardware. I don't think the stove's ever been used. Beautiful unit.